Hello everyone. We're gonna make some shrimp fried rice today with a little bit of pork, and I think that's it. Yes. So I have to look up a recipe first because I know how to make fried rice, but shrimp fried rice I do not know. So we're gonna figure it out. I changed and I cut my bangs a little bit because they were way too long and in my face. So I'm gonna look up a shrimp fried rice. I know I need shrimp, so I'm gonna take that out of the freezer. I'm going to put it in water. Type in shrimp fried rice. I have canned ones, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it open, drain it, put it in the freezer for like an hour because I'm not going to start cooking until maybe an hour from now. And then do that. So let me do that first. Sesame oil, canola oil, shrimp, peas, garlic, ground ginger I don't have, 3 eggs I have, 4 cups cooked rice I have, green onions I don't have. Ooh, do I have soy sauce? 3 to 4 tablespoons. What is this? That's not soy sauce. Ooh, here we go. 1, 2, ooh, 3. You guys ever watched that 4? That, he has a YouTube channel, but I watch him on Facebook, and I think it's called, like, Budget Meals, or Broke Meals. Freaking A, what is it called? Ooh, oh, that's chili sauce. Ooh, here's another soy sauce. So I have enough, Plus sesame, is this, yeah, sesame. Doesn't say any fish sauce, which I usually do use, so let me look up another one. Easy, better than takeout shrimp fried rice. That's the one I'm using, and it's a recipe from Avery Cooks, averycooks.com. So I will link it down below so you guys can take a look at it. My shrimp needs a little bit more time to defrost. So I have the rice, the sesame oil, the soy sauce packets, eggs, shrimp, peas and carrots. I do have garlic. I don't have ginger. And I don't have green onions. But I do have salt and pepper. So I have everything to make it. I'm going to let my peas and carrots kind of freeze a little bit more. And then we'll get to cooking it. Alright, so it's all done. I plated it. It looks amazing. And I like to eat mine with a little bit of sriracha. So there we go. Let's taste it. A little bit closer to the camera. Oh, look at all that smoke. So I ended up putting a little bit of pork in there as well. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. It's really good. It's super easy. It was ready in like 20 minutes, so definitely recommend it. All you need is rice, shrimp. Actually, I'll put the ingredients down below so that you guys can make this. Or check out the website that I made it on. Again, it's averycooks.com. I just added a little bit of pork, and that's it. I'm gonna keep eating this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more recipes, let me know. Make sure you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys later.